So lots of you are asking for a tutorial on how to die stack. So here it is. I'm not the best myself, but I can do it. So I'm going to do quick stacks and normal stacks, as you see. So basically, I would do quick stacks. So get your 2 dice. This is how I would do it. Put it like in front as a normal stack. But so put them in a straight line. So go 1, 2. So they're like this now. And then just turn one over to the next one. So it's like this. So it's like that. For you, it would be like that, but for me now, for me it's like that, but it looks like that for you guys. So basically, you just want to get your cup and then put it down like that. So let me do it like this. So got your cup there, and then you just get it like that. So it's really easy. Let's get up here. Let's go over here. So the cup is like this. So it's tilted like on its side. Like pretend you're popping a wheelie on your bike. So it's like this. So you wheelie on your bike. So basically you go like this. You got your bike, you wheelie in it, and then you're sucking up dice. And that's basically how it is. Just like, and then just practice it really fast. And then you got it. So basically you just keep it like in wheelie, and then just let's slow it down. So you're in your wheelie, got one, keep going, you get the other, put it down, and then you have it. So let's do it normal speed now. This is how it would look. Oh, hang on. So yeah, I'm not the best myself. And then, if you like this tutorial and you want another one on how to do a normal stack, then make sure to like and subscribe. When we get 170 subscribers, we'll do it again. Peace. Bye.